Hey Chad, how you doing, buddy? Here's the web audit video I was talking to you about on the phone. I know you're super busy, so I'm not going to take up much of your time. I'm just going to jump straight into it, okay? Again, my name is Leo Arona. I try to help local roofing companies get to the top of the local map listing. 75% of the people that search on Google are choosing the top three in that map pack. So that's my goal, is to get you up into that top three map pack. 69 and some change percent of people don't even go to the second page. But I had you pull it up here. You're honestly not doing too bad, Chad. You are at the top of the second page. So with your website lacking SEO, I know that if you're at the top of the second page, that we can easily push you to that front page and get you pushed up further. Okay. I love how you've got this number right here. As soon as someone comes to this site, they can see this number, they can click on it, and they can get your services immediately. Because if I got a hole in my roof, I'm not wanting to come to somebody's site and scour and look around and try to find everything on their site. The number's right here where you want it to be. Perfect. The only thing I see on this front page, though, is just lacking content. There's not enough words on here. You want about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this front page, because content is king and Google loves content. I'm going to show you another trick of the trade right here. This wasn't even in my list of tricks to show, but since you were so awesome on the phone, I'm going to show you this, and you can do this yourself. Do you see how this picture is saved here? RS equals width versus height, 600, 300. That is incorrect. You want to save that as Steele Roofing or Owensboro Roofing, Owensboro, Kentucky contractor, Owensboro Roofing contractors. Anything that is a keyword, and I will know exactly what the keywords are, and I will tell you about that here shortly, because I've got a keyword finder and a searcher to tell me what people in Owensboro are searching, how often, how many, and how hard it is to rank that word. Okay. Another reason for the call today is I pulled your top competitor. This is the number one person on Google Maps and Google listings. And as you can see, the same thing. They just have no content on here. And that's fine, but you're probably wondering why they're outranking you, and y'all got about the same amount of content. I'm about to show you now. Now, a lot of people don't use these services because they don't know who's an expert in this field and who's not. And that's why I like to shoot screen on the videos, to show you what I know. And not only show you what I know, but give you tips and tricks that you can do yourself to outrank these other people and see for yourself that what I'm showing you actually works. So right here, I'm going to type in their URL up here, and we're going to search and see what they have versus what you have. So what I do is I put it into this Ahrefs, and I hit search. And what this is going to do is it's going to show me the backlinks that they have, the strength and the trust of their site, and the keywords. Okay, so let's do domain to domain. Boom. Okay. So Pro Finishing has no trust, no strength in their site, and 2.4 on the trust side. This is strength. This is trust. Now, if we take a look over here at yours, there's no data and 0, which is fine. That just gives us a place to start from and work up. Now, you see they have 82 backlinks, and you have 2 backlinks. And a backlink is just simply steelroofs.com is on another blog post somewhere about roofing, or another roofing site. All a backlink is, your URL is somewhere else that links back to your website. And you've got 2, and you've got 1 organic keyword, and they've got 34. Now, the reason I'm contacting you is because I know we can beat these people. What I can do is, with this tool, I can go in here and see the backlinks that they have. Okay, so I go here and I can see bargain browser deals. That's a backlink that they have, but that's why they have no power. That's why they have no strength, because a lot of these don't even have anything to do with roofing. They just got these backlinks sent from other places. Now, an extreme example is if they went to Pizza Hut reviews and left their website URL in there. Yes, that is a backlink technically, but it has no power. It has no strength, because that's not from a roofing site. What I do is I go get all the I get all the backlinks that they have. So if they've got 83 backlinks, I get 83 backlinks that make sense to what you do, not Pizza Hut and Dick's Sporting Goods and things like that, I give backlinks to roofing sites, roofing domains. I can also, with my CEO skills, I can create a blog that has nothing but keywords that ranks to your page and send that to your page and to give you more strength and more power. Now, another thing is citations. Citations is also known as NAP, name, address, phone number. You can do that yourself, Chad. You can go to Yellow Pages, Yext, Yelp, White Pages, anything, and put in your company's name, your company's phone number, and your company address, name, address, phone number, and that counts as a citation that links to your account, links to your page, and gives you more power, more strength. The last thing I wanted to talk to you about was the keywords. That's what I was talking to you about earlier, about getting keywords to put inside your content. That way it helps Google identify you and push you to those top 3 spots so you can get more traffic into you. And at the end of the day, it's going to draw you more business. So what I do is I go in here and see what organic keywords they're ranking for. Pro finish is that's a national keyword. That doesn't mean that that's buyer intent. Not buyer intent, not buyer intent. Buyer intent is roofing contractors in Owensboro, Kentucky. Because if somebody's typing that in, they're needing help. They're needing services. And this is a 0 keyword difficulty, so it takes less than 3 months to rank with 30 traffic a month. So if I can get you 30 extra calls a month and you can even land half of those, that's 15 more jobs that you have. Contractors on Owensboro, Kentucky is 50 with the keyword of 4. It takes about the same amount of time to rank it. But again, what I do is I try to find all these keywords that make sense. And I can find keywords that make sense in your area that draws 500 or 1,500 more clients a month to see it. That way they give you calls. So what I do is content, 1,500, 2,000 words, homepage, 500, 750 on the pages behind that. We work with backlinks. I also help with your citations if you need help with those. And I do the keyword search myself and log that into your content. I hope this is very informative to you today, Chad. Again, I can't thank you for how nice and awesome you was on the phone. My name again is Leo Arona. My cell phone is 270-841-3600. You will have my email that I'm sending this to you from. So feel free to reach back out through me on text, call, email, however you like. But if you don't want to work with anybody right now, Chad, I hope that you implement these changes yourself to your site, because I'd love to see you on that first page soon. I'm about to start dominating this market here in Owensboro, and I can only take a couple clients on because there's only 3 spots in that local map pack. Don't have anything against the people that's up there right now. I just like to help underdogs or people that's on the 2nd, 3rd, or 4th page and help them see results, give them more confidence, and push them higher up in the Google rankings. Have a good night, buddy. Thanks for your time.